Welcome to Shenzhen RJC Industrial Company Limited. RJC, established in 2014, one of the companies specifically for plastic injection, tooling design and manufacturing with reputation in industry. Our system is comprised of a skilled team, state-of-the-art equipment and proprietary software that allows us to convert your 3D part data into a good quality injection mold. Also, consistently support product design, DFM, DFA, risk management, process control, quality assurance, and so on. Exporting molds manufactured to foreign markets would be one of our main business. Many years working experience on molds with utilizing international standard for all clients who are mainly from US and Europe. Cost-effective and optimal processes addressed to assure sustainable mass production. RJC can serve you with multiple products, which mainly include automotive, household application, medical devices, with providing full service with competitive price level by delivering advanced technology, material, equipment in this industry, and advanced tool and molds with targeted lifespan, short cycle time to be efficient in production. With comprehensive service and quality, we have been regarded as a trusted strategic partner. Injection Molding Workshop serves for mold trials and mass production. Scientific processes and optimal molding parameter can be addressed to guarantee producibility and reproducibility. Well prepared and simplifying the injection molding process allows us to provide you with the low pricing to bring your products to markets.